Nice open concept, okay? And
of the same way you prophesied it.
All the things you have done for me, as for me and my household, we will lift our voice and say, February, March, April, May, June, say, July, August, September, November, December, and I will dance for you. I will sing your praise from the trees and
And this is the new one from Dr. Sonny Badu and No Jari. It simply means God has done me well. God will not Ghanaian, gospel singer, songwriter, philanthropist, author, and a pastor. Also the founder of Rock Hill Church, Dr. Sonny Badu. Yes, Doc, welcome.
Thank you.
Great. So, in No Jari,
God has done me well. Delta Stage 4 Casa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. The story behind that song is a Fiona video, no Fiona. That's what I prophesied on that woman and her husband.
Oh,
it's
okay.
Actually a true story.
True story.
They went to California, and I told them to move. They are very well-to-do, very wealthy couple. And I told them to move from California to Atlanta. Their house is like $2 million, and the husband surprised the wife with it. So that story is a real story.
Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Mm-hmm. Wow. And her name is Enojari.
Enojari.
Yes, so I dedicated the song to her.
Beautiful. Who released it this say?
I released it last year.
Last year.
Mm-hmm.
Chino they also between
but
we Chino I bro for.
Who's up me Jamaican into me crying catchy south here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Is there a reason why you married Jamaican?
Yeah, there's no reason. That's what God gave me.
I see.
Yeah.
Great. So growing up, Mate, in one of your interviews said you wanted to be a footballer. Is that true?
I've always wanted to be a footballer, yeah. In fact, most of my friends thought I was gonna play football.
Wow. What are some of your friends?
That was school, like school
okay,
days,
okay,
yeah.
Great.
But I think Nyame had his own way, and by the grace of God,
turn around and quite bells in the FCS. Say, as a footballer, football. All of a sudden now you change to be a gospel musician, a pastor.
I think the calling was there. It was secondary school now. I just made up my mind. GSTS. I had an encounter with God, and I'm making up my mind. So I'm going to do gospel music, and I've never looked back from there.
So the decision, say, obey gospel music, and it took you how long?
Me, and it was life and death many years ago. And I think I went into a covenant with God. I've said this somewhere before, and He spared my life, and that was it. Because couldn't be a high life. I was like, what's the word? Hip life. At ease. I was singing and call girls school continuum nowadays.
Oh, flexible girls and also.
I was an entertainment prefect nowadays. And I was also in this football team. I was very active. But then God has His own way of calling somebody, and I appreciate it.
And say, I think you have a friend somewhere secular music.
Oh, I know a lot of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
You listen to their songs as well.
This space is entertainment space.
Sure.
Omo Koji Award, no say gospel category, secular category. You cannot say something a gospel artist intimately will be there. You have to know what everybody's doing. You understand, and then you can appreciate their music as well. The world doesn't just revolve around gospel music. No, Kojo Nchumo or other people. So yes, I do know a couple of them who are good friends.
Okay. Great. So it's here for more share a page. So Dr. Sonny Badu and then bon komo ewa say na questions in the day bring with me joining a page so na bet me bisa mamo. He's in Kumasi for a reason, but what banner there one or two be a person bisano before we get into the reason why he's in Kumasi and the reason why he's in the studio this afternoon. So Dr. Sonny Badu, I think you once said the gospel music, and I say gospel musicians, they are over commercializing the gospel instead of sticking to the spiritual aspect of their songs. And I say, more commercial wise, I'm asking, say, since our cancer has no any difference.
But
okay,
if I go into those topics, I could be misinterpreted, So maybe on another show, we'll talk about that. But if I turn left, I hear my program now.
Okay, so I heard you say this on, I think it was on Star FM 2014.
Oh, sure. 2024.
No, sorry, 2024 rather. It was last year.
That was last year.
Yeah, it was.
I think it was based on the conversation we had.
Okay.
Kai, before a statement is made, it has to start from somewhere.
Exactly.
So I don't remember what brought that conversation.
Okay.
And if I said it in those exact contexts, so then
very well. So since I hit you on the show, let's touch on the show and
yes, sir.
Bring the other ones later.
Yes, sir.
So tell us about what's happening in Kumasi tomorrow.
So for the past 3 years, we've had Rhythms of Africa in Accra. We've done it twice. First one, Grand Arena. Second one, Independence Square last year. And this year, Vital 05 say Fambra Kumasi.
Okay.
It was a tough decision, but then it was so worth it.
And then the money tough.
Because then we have to logistically band musicians, everybody got to leave Accra and come here because we're musicians in Accra. Logistics, accommodation, so it was a lot. But Vital has been incredible, being part of the sponsors. So so far so good. Everything is in place and all is ready for tomorrow. All
right. So Ochuna show started time bang, artist
started 5 p.m. Jubilee Park. We have Kwame Jedu, Akesi Brimpong, Perez Music, Enoch Ahin, Francis Amo and SP Sapon, and they're all power. Right? Yeah, they're all powerhouses. Yeah, they're all powerhouses. Yeah.
Show started time bang
5 p.m. straight sharp.
And how much are we paying?
Patrol free.
Oh,
yeah, courtesy of Vital 05 free.
Wow. Show near free.
Patrol.
I see. So, Ken, then I think we have to represent. Yeah, we have to be there. Yes, free there also a call. So big man, I think also one way maker. So say something.
Okay.
Dr. Sonny Badu
Da Costa.
Da Costa.
I don't know now for Vital 05.
Okay.
Yeah, dry producing into drone dini area to me.
Oh, okay.
Vital 05 near brand name a product.
Okay. Ti edentina moso Jumedi Yasini.
Penny a bass ye invest music more. Na okay Jumedia doctor ye past years by Pim Sabria na also ni Jumedi ma a cognac ye. Say Yanso see a boa mania with Jumati because especially or say crum programs I can see any normally over when I crank one. To do one said in pass actors be a washrobe and obey me then I
yeah.
As I say involved a lot. He also say Ose Crumbs so yɛpagya yɛ ho nti meka kyerɛ doctor sɛ ɔma no mmra ha no na sɛdeɛ no wɔka no na ɛnyɛ easy but nyame adom tumi akeka nneɛma abɔ mu a dwumadie no aba ha
Very well.
ne purpose ne ne sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ ɔsie kurom ɛgye so ɛwɔ sɛ hɔ nyinaa yɛ ma obi biara ba dwumadie no ase bɛnya nyame animonyam because nka wode doctor ɛba a ɛnka yɛ sika kɛseɛ
A lot of money.
yɛwɔ artist bebree ɛwɔ hɔ a ɛba a wohwɛ sika a ɔcharge koraa ansa na watumi awura mu no ɛnyɛ agorɔ by sɛ doctor paa de program aba no asa ayɛ ne fie no deɛ sɛ wotena fie delay kakra bi ahwɛ a wonya baabi antena bi because program no ankasa no yɛpɛ sɛ nyankopɔn animonyam ɛpie ma obi biara na obi biara encounter God ansa na afe no asi because afe bɛsi biara na ɛwɔ sɛ new things hyɛ aseɛ na ɛbɛtumi ahyɛ ase a ɛyɛ worship na ɛbɛtumi de aba yɛpagya nyankopɔn ma n'ahenni no so no yɛnyina nyame ayɛ bi ama yɛn because sɛ nyame nka ho a deɛ ɔyɛ biara woyɛ no kwa nyame ni mu a wobɔ no kwa sɛ nyame yɛ nhyira wo so a wohyira ho koraa a wobɛba fam enti baabi a yɛduro bia wɔ sɛ yɛte aseɛ sɛ nyame enti na adwumadie bi te sei no ɛni kwa sɛ wodidi agorɔ woni baabi akɔ baabi a waa ne sɛ 21st wobɛba Jubilee Park na wabɛma nyankopɔn di kɛse.
Very well. I think say show no originally nanka on the 13th and postpone here the bar.
21st, yeah.
Yes. Now, Demetri and so was out of love for that Lumba.
Yes. So initially we had planned 13th. We had gone ahead with all logistics, and yet it is Daddy Lumba funeral on the 13th, and there's no way I made a concert. Daddy Lumba El Kofi. No. So we made that decision and changed it to 21st.
So were you at the funeral?
I had not landed yet. I'm in Bagana yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very well. So Nyame Adumo China Heroes Park, send Markano
Jubilee Park.
Jubilee Park rather.
Gotcha.
Oh, okay. Jubilee Park. A honor concert in Ebekoso. But big crowd who had the
Okay. The American and I say Obibia and Brajumadi Nasi. Because you need grace a doctor so you need benefit of the grace just and nam the nyom to also na ama ye mu bia big make bold decision take bold steps e dia bedru ba bia ye dre ama ye nya nyame adoma pida ye djuma 4 years ago na me encounter with doctor enti wa wo ba bia expect say bibi kese bi betimi a transform na esi wa abrabom on man no said ye wo ba no come with expectation, come with the impact, because you are going to impacted by the grace of and the power of God. And you know, oh beni nano, see who say only nyankopon ba be bompunimpu. Na me did say nyame ne oni bompunimpu a 2026 ebe so easy for you.
Okay.
All
right. So annually, and this is just a flash.
So this is the third time running.
Third time in Kumasi.
No.
Rhythms
of Africa.
Okay.
Next year we're going to do Rhythms of Africa. Hopefully we'll do both Ebia, Accra and Kumasi back to back. You know, the lava although Kumasi Asante for me, you know, it's overwhelming, and I'd love to do it again. But then being sure yet, it depends on how this one will go. Next year, everybody Kumasi we'll go back to the stadium.
Good.
We know you did testing waters.
Great.
I heard it. We've done the stadium before anyway.
Sure.
But yes, I had testing water. I heard.
Good. Guys, do you have anything to ask? More Bibisa, Dr. Sonny Badu. Nah, okay. On the just what whole space, you know. Okay.
Congratulations. Kumasi now.
Now,
we show no dino. Rhythm of Africa, no. Many J. Dino, but I mean, in Sanka, rhythms, the Africa, more year gospel, maybe so more.
Secular.
Yeah, at least. No, yes, secular person. It was a rhythm of Africa. They say, oh, you can't. Rhythm say Africa now boom.
Okay, so
yes,
some other countries.
I feel
very
so
good. Member rhythms Nina. Yeah, member Nina.
Why we Nina? Rhythms Nina from Africa.
Search.
Well, but I love the way our Mr. Vital so she will. Meaning say why I say be a friends attire for the show Nina Africa.
Yeah. Follow me. I'm a proud African, proud Ghanaian.
Yeah.
Maybe I make sure that the world knows semi-free Ghana. Yes. Right, and then also Utieminyuma Mitacho Tree Power, you know, and also made the Trenkro for a lot of people, foreigners, will learn the songs, and yeah, that's my own little contribution. I am for my nation.
Right.
Rhythms of Africa also allows people from the diaspora to come and experience Ghana. Into 2 years running, people come from all over Jamaica. They come from America just to enjoy Ghana. Into when you say normal and they for bus, for plane, they want to come. Yes, it allows people, because you said they have this dirty December or whatever.
Yes, dirty December.
And so there's nothing much for the Christian. I know Joe Metal has Christmas with Joe Metal, and then there is MOG Praise Aloud. Yeah, but then we have to, and there's Kumasi comedy shows. Pacho, yeah, me a special guest.
Wow.
Yeah,
Nice.
Inti, I thought Christmas becoming a big deal in Ghana. No?
Yeah.
The gospel fraternity has to do something on the international level, and that's how we also came up with Rhythms of Africa.
Let's get our lines activated. Na yema be 5 callers be Dr. Sonny Badu. Any more? Yes, very quick one.
Dr. Bacho say your ship bill no so. I say more kind of gospel no.
What is more kind of gospel?
More kind of gospel no say urban. Right? I say I may be wrong, but I want to know say intentional, and I say be.
So last year 2 years Grand Arena, we had Emoji, Joe Metal. We had a lot of people. And that was 2 years ago. And the last year we had Brother Sami. Last year we had Independence Square. I had Brother Sami. He was my favorite artist. He's Sami too. I love him. Brother Sami. We had Tego Sisters. Last year, come on. We had a lot of people. This one, we prayed about it, and then we came up with a squad. We have Mama Victoria Safo. She's also on there as well. Next year, so there's no particular favoritism on BB. It's just, a eternal. Next year we'll get another squad coming.
Yeah. So last one, for course, bear 5 beer.
Tony, for me, say Sonny Ayobi, I'm feeling it for a very long time. Not first, no, in the colors of Africa. And one thing I'm observing, and apart from the traditional setup now, you see, like Ogna Agolo about rhythms, he has almost every needed African instrumental on the stage, from metals to skins of animals. Inti Enyadia. Oh yeah, I do.
So that was comedy you were doing. Okay.
That was me. That was me when I'm sick. So Osha what he does now with Dinechia. If you're a lover of music, Opa Yi, the element of Sonny Baduni Freeho, Netie instruments are portrayed on the day that is Sunday or China, and we are a lover of music. I will say yes, somebody has invested in stage, in craft, and in instrumentation. And only idea I remember about like Michelle shows I enjoyed from the percussionist. There was Colors of Africa. That guy was so
absolutely
sunrise idea. Yes. Yeah. So this is what I'm coming there tomorrow to see, apart from the fact say Osememe full stage, we'll be there to enjoy good music.
Yes, sir.
Say Obijin say a free keke intino normally a hobechi bebra. Talk to the organizers, let them give you the VIP you need because people like some people wouldn't want to be
in the crowd
behind.
Yeah.
Now for your mama, some perimeter now be okay because you said that's available.
Yeah, VIP session.
Though you're free,
But don't show me I'm a crowd person.
And
you'll be a VIP for better.
That's not VIP now, bet you
no. You want VIP for your Mutina side. So I can get the energy of the crowd. But even down to how we're gonna set up the stage. I need the audience. It's about them,
But you've always said Accra where started at 5, but people were seated at 2 because of the time how they started.
Correct.
So, Ochna Kumasi will witness something great.
Right. So in fact, calls Kakra. In fact, calls Kakra na 0243114497 0243114497. 032249805 032249805. Dr. Sonny Badu is our guest this afternoon. Hello. What's on my radio? The volume you call from why? Yes, boss. Oh, sure.
I mean, ensure Dr. So, man of Ghana music.
Pachowa Modio.
Yeah, from Jeff.
Okay, Jeff.
Yeah. See, I can say a kind of crankasa. Sonny, when I'm in so I Juma be free. Our Ghana and globally. Now, yes, sir, Kuma in say, Yamia Domotina, Monfa or Dombo Domona, Yen support this on the Badu. Na yema when meeting so na say when you baba na basa I can say na breakthrough so ebe amount for the music in nko a so say na me adom no call back so a amount for nko so a influence no social media singing especially YouTube for about pure word of God omunkutie bi so na me.
Thank you, bro. Hello.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, boss. Bismarck. Yes, Moja Etio.
Yemo papa abasofa ode atwa kuma yeso baba yebe panichi
Amen.
na menka kakra so abante na mede kan na kasa number 1
Yeah.
also why that be enyim tro enye abeketo ozo nenyim na otro enye o ma na so da ye ni really otro ya nka
Bismarck here say hello. Yes, boss. Radio volume no show. My name Raf from Kakrama. Why? Good. Hey, Oga.
Tony.
Champion.
Yes, Papa.
Tony, I'm starting to that
Lumba yini beba so. Ude yene Dr. Sonny Badu nyina.
Yes, Papa.
Dr. Sonny Badu there. When you're Africa, over the videos go on now. Africa, we're going to use so. Now, what's going on in the so I say, okay, so for about scout the channel. It means capital. No, about some of the concept amount for free. Number 20. So,
Amen.
Yeah, that's it. Also, Okofana Basika Obejono. Na Obebo free show. Hello. Hello. Yeah, Udi baby akase free.
No, for me, what I tell him,
Boss it you.
I'm telling you that I'm going to carry your work at home. Dog, I'm going to go. So, you didn't catch your answer. The am a catch your answer. Or back, I'm a catch your hand forget. I'm going to on some board to Mama.
Your bank, Obega, so we no for girls. Oh, Philou star.
For girls like women with love potion.
Oh.
Very well. So, last words. Now, yeah,
I want to thank because this is my last radio interview.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I'll close the chapter.
I'm shut down now. I'm shut down. I need to close in now. I want to thank all the radio stations for interviewing from Akoma to all of your mates, all the bloggers. Thank you. Incredible job. SK from is SK Frimpong, right? SK Frimpong, ZK, you and your team. SK Beats, right? SK Beats, ZK, the entire team on my idea. Kwame Jedu to Mede Ejumanishan and Sa, and he put together a team to get it done. Vital 05, showtime. All right, I want to thank everybody at Kumasi. It's going to be good tomorrow. It's going to be good. I promise you.
Great. That's Dr. Sonny Badu live. Easy. Sonny Badu. University say so any Odaki Diande of TV3 Bench of Fame, Odaki Diande, Andy Eofiase. That's the man Odaki Diande, Odaki Andy. Yes, US Boga in town. Chairman, it's say.
Ra ade akye a ye aduru sese bra ye nte bone bia na ese ye
Bonibia my na lumba ye man who was it.
me bai enu
Really?
tamba Ghana o
Sha.
bra na uluma da form na uma u peden wa America ho
But ye buba man for dia.
there
Why
be
who so be a kasa
there
and
be
buy?
me din de na me mpese e bebo
Okay.
aha
Tu
na
chevela na.
there be man cheville na baby na me na mo no na so one feel ani e unhu me
Okay. I see. So the funeral no itself no who is saying because comments be brave basa anko ye. If you say yes be Barry Lumba.
omo se anko yie ne de menim de na omo hwehwe em se na omo expect say nke ye na hema yie ni bi de a but lumba but at least nipa no de na ohwehwe ne se nachi enye basa na ye ne be share from in time
Yeah.
nti no me de mama Akoma to me yam ne say at least we're free cold room ho cold room no ye free you no mu no
hot.
we're free ho abesna ko share from boko
Say as a horseshoe.
ho ne shini de obia be shi obia nti no omre no so aja
But mami mo abaso that a KD tribute song no. You did a great work. Makachi Kechi say Master send you see to you now no day. Na bibia show so na so o de fan you minimum de bana.
na KD de we me senior brother meni ni share o show bia so a ye meni e bia e betimi atena backstage a ye di nkomo but KD obi ohun me obeben me menia mama konya na me ntena won chen ye di nkomo me last time we did share last year 24th December 21st December na ye bo KK Fosu ewo Atomic Bayview obetena me nchen na ye di nkomo a free one man hu ni biem nti no be free makoma mu se metro enyom no na me side decide say na ye mfa na nyom baako
Okay.
na yenyi lyrics no na yentro ya lyrics na yemfa nhye ti me ka che ka echi ono nso so ka echi kwa me apia ono nso so wampunity obusam se ka edi nyom ben na yenyu su mfa nye tribute na me busan so me di odo hye mu ka me ni go so amazing aha And so I'm a very, very emotional song.
Sure,
You know,
sure.
You see a nice afar.
Now let's center the interview on you. Last year now you released some Pamunana.
I some people not releasing the 2 years ago, but
Okay.
last year I'm imagine say me promoting.
Of course,
Me push Ekoye na em say asante memu ha no. Aya na entete no. Put you in some tight corner be as oh yeah nyom na profane words bamu kakra bi pe. Ni ehun say oh yeah wayward.
It was out here says okay profane.
Oh, sa nyom de na freestyle. Na free nyoma metena ase fa pen ne paper say me tro.
Okay.
Freestyle na me no studio ho na.
Tenyum ni leaky
and leaky release ye but na yodium no. Enyu we dey do enyu we dey ye phantom. It's ye phantom no na ma so mpem no na one say na Kempaluta so blow last year no and to be obeti bia obi say Kempaluta so was so bibia no. At least na enyom na osi eja no kwan ma ne ko.
Okay.
Be release this on.
I see.
Yeah.
I've seen 2 beautiful songs, a table and this one permanent, a free some permanent bad table na.
Free some permanent na bar who.
Okay, tell us about who.
Who no a reggae song me who say I'm for target me with reggae dance or more than say me high life na me no. My Ghana ni my can ni akwara ne de. Me say Ghana ye de any high life. It more on me hit it more on high life no. But I'm for target me reggae dance all artist because my mental house na me to reggae songs and yeah they didn't know me say you can't that can the amount for so reggae dance all artist but me need reggae song back okra.
Only reggae song
back okra. Me release 3 albums.
Wow.
Me need reggae song back okra.
So this is your first reggae song.
This is the first.
And they no be shit. Charlie mientie. This is a massive track. I know she. Who entertains the entertainer?
Who entertain the entertainer?
Wow. Wow.
And you
wow.
me release on a Friday, Saturday and upana DL car baby.
Oh,
Ultimately, I'm promoting you now.
26 na lumba free mo.
And I'm be releasing you 25th and ajo Friday night. And I'm releasing you way.
Awesome.
Chadia channel pana you started radio tour na.
But still a good song. You can still promote it.
Yeah. That's why I made me pushing.
I see. You heard the other one, Table.
Table.
What is about Table?
Yeah, Table. Yeah. We are say obia ni wa onya na fenchem. Enye obia be a position or one no. Na o planning previously. Ebia o planning bigger than baby I was see. And even you are o planning lesser than. But
boom.
Table net me 10 at any point in time. And say udi obia when a vision in a mission na or the we are say. But to get to where you want to get to no. And on the question mark I was saying be able to say ubetimi adru na untimi ndru. And amount for so timi obi so timi susu ma. Say on pene ma undru baby apese udru no. Without knowing say the table can turn at any point in time. Obi timi share and no underrate you. Or bad disrespect you when say onye obi a. There was a time I meet me to make an the boat and Uber. Obi family who ordinary Uber driver. But actually who say hey, okay. Say onye no.
Oh yeah, Juba.
You know, table need to meet any at any point in time. Literal.
This is a banger. Oh, the key and the Table. And one year the Negro and I say. Christmas song. Yeah.
Say and you be an afine beto no.
Yes.
Nti no say atene afine timi abeto dia na say atene ama adru so.
Sure. We release it this day.
Be 1 month.
Response to say.
Cool pa. Very very cool but na me near around say me dey be promotion
Okay.
Say I said waba as well my I said
You see, I don't waba fully.
Oh,
Kid,
Yeah.
two beautiful songs from Odaki and
Serious. In fact, reggae no dear. I know shit. I say who watches the Watchman no. Any easy. Serious. Now maybe sir Andy, minimum. I feel like Matthias said in here. Samini at that time Batman no. Time I free mental house, Royal address no, and the original and the songs Royal and I. But we say since that time, no be any say reggae. That time the year war mental house near the end. That there na who say ne bo who said that time now man for be brave and the new for be achi and I said na reggae for no more be and I said one no more strong and I was sure and I said
let me who say Ghana no reggae structure no and yes too strong. Say o de reggae baba na ye beji atomo. And
Sada ususu ye.
Me hui.
Okay.
Men susu me hui.
Okay.
Because na talk of reggae at that time on Sonny Bally ne Lucky Rocky Dauni yempenyu for no ene General Marcus mo biara ubeko biara maybe omo ye good for but am for share am more attention you know.
Okay.
It's your monyom in a way say ya say area hobi na ye penyu bi eti na sa anyom na click.
Okay.
It's na me hu say reggae dance or no that time no na any strength say ene aba benya strength our Ghana ha say no. Na commercial value no en share dey ni ho. Na you follow her life on hip life no hip life no more and nothing I'm focusing on reggae dance or no.
Oh, okay. Now about second song no dear Tony I know the one say or side go back to us a high lifestyle of yeah when say a way of a dear or the tononium so what I say about the man who they say or can say about Kona so no dear. Now we share side Hannah and but still our table none we use here. A bad way table, but still already in a different way. In a professional way. So I'm hoping say this time no promotion and of 4 so much and now it's in your corner because the kid now coming himself by now some what drew big or quite high crowd and baby over this timing because from mentor because at that time on mentor no now we lady be in fact that time me who say me volume gidi say I say when you bring some time on yes Sunday no be you know me minimum type of my peku salim young will be boss over that in China the not get chinchina because show that kid and
asma okay I say slim bastard the same thing
yeah
I say okohwe obi na atena ne kai ma free nipa na mfa nipa ne be so sorry for keeping you waiting na me hwa handy
so I know say right now no baby ordinary me fan baby a wo hu ne vim say won see see no commercially no reggae no corner him that a reggae song you beautiful standard.
But Odaku and the new record label be more na
brad you him no new record label no aba online aba I was here year juma but okay as in say me and me push me home me and me push sometimes now what you buy kakra no akobo adwuma no abana
okay
why your business now so no what they push you kakra the new record label no there it's still Firehouse Music
right
we are now still like Jojo na
well so we have 4 more minutes to wrap up yemfa course kakra Odaki and Dewa yedin komo bebre ni 2 new songs so are releasing some of can be brave then also catch 0243 114497 0243 114497 03224 98035 03224 98035 hello yes boss we didn't baby okase free
don't forget
but wait you
it's a catch up say because the one obi bon for house me because reggae na what Ghana da reggae dey about pare hit because we get them all. Oh, on time
yeah, that's CP. Thank you very much. We've been too short amount no.
Aye. On say yes your edin crossing balls never akon. Anumana wa kwa ne kon de kofa kusia wo na chi no. Yes san kofa.
Aye.
Yenchi kankasa.
Hello.
Asi ade adwuma.
Yes, and someone pom. A good year. I've been coming to here. Adum.
Yes, my policy. Anyhow,
Yo, yeah, check it out. That's it. Okay, Agudia, that's it. 0243114497, 0243114497, 0322498035. And Chania, did you make the Indian baby? Hello? Yes, we did, baby. I can say free boss. Okay, okay, I'll call baby with you.
Yeah, Tony. Tony. You can say, that the Linda, I mean, funny sense here. Let you, you're feeling all right. But over a corner, fast one, maybe, and you know, at least, Corsica, the love the trick a car, where this is send you money. So I say, at least over a platform, no crown, a moment, platform, no, a flashlight, dear, it's in the day. And so I say, you sure the flashlight, I hope you're done so. Let me put the flashlight, I hope you're anyone of my chest. Continue. So I say, this big attics here, and what did you come out to the domino, Patoma, so I need to also came out to take a car. Let's say you send me money. And so on the side, the DHA, I will try. I'm a fast to say, I'm not family.
Thank you, Gauli. Hello? Captain. You're more quiet by 8 you.
Lumba, some of the Winaka. If you know, all one and London and home. And yes, I will be a comment to move our come back as a food. I am yes, I mean, that you be a yes to be a your mom with your own tomo. And I mean, there is so we go boy, and then you are for what is a rigging or power. If you want and you go rigging or power, because we look at the reggae.
Okay, Tiandi. With the Wawa Sempa. The reggae na kiki amount for pa. And I don't know, so be a change of mind. And as you say, I know why I just be pushing hard on the reggae songs.
And not the Yana, musician, near the old pet. And now, sorry, I be say crowd no, and as a public and engine too. The almost pay. Yeah, I was away at the moment because someone I bet you musica, Ako streaming, or one I bet is Kakoto, or one I bet is Cabbage, a gate fee, I bet also. Yeah, it's no Magia to Masupem.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. More on the reggae.
It's platforms, Ben, a bit me streaming, you know, a bit you
all they get download. The hands all that, Ober spelling not correct. ODAKKY.
ODAKKY.
Or that key.
All right.
Nyabo that kinipe. No one back up a we are baby no that could be any baby.
Okay.
And dinner babe to us na and you na a flow na waiting me download the episode download.
Nice one. So Ken, yeah, didn't you know BCL? Your time now one is that? Yeah.
BBSC. Yanda chief for you now, and yanda diswase. When I pass you through you now because any easy way. Last show I for the year, anyway, boy.
Yeah, last show.
Yeah, boy, home day. Yeah, boy, home about so because enough from 20 January to this time, November, and your mercy seen any more cost on
easy.
I know, you know, you better will be asking. I will show more Merry Christmas. Why?
All right. So you're not team ding say Kweku Masmo, Spatu Sako, the big Nanayao, Timothy Agboso. Zia Timothy Noah Paula Quete so and Obia Minuan so mobile Quato Park in Agologo, GH Bonshika, of course, Nanaya Beche, and the whole team, Yadamunina Massimidi, Eddie Antonio Sueke, Tony Best, Yedisia say now if sports are taking over. Yami Adumua next year, Bessia. And you what last words, Biana?
My last word, Nesse, Mesre. Papa just Kodufusu. Igna actually idea. Me did my book because 25th, you show some more. Minya show be more on the 25th because now no day I am a target. 25th will be I mean I'm starting live band in the man.
Lumbanti 25th unya show more.
Mini show be available 25th December. I been see that. But but Papa no wa bre. Ena ode efrimu nti free na we free mo no se ka se ye twene sre ene abasa ye ntiase adenti ne ekosie no o se nke twene kakra me ye sure say awo na was free gym no nobody will wish to be there nti no say ye de na kwa kwahye fom a ye ma bygone enye bygone na dia ka ekiri ena edoso yenya papa no no koda boko because em say ne nwum bebre betia ne fear pa ne say obewu na na chi ebe ya kasa ade ba kwa me hu ne hono no nti no ade ano ompe no me yemfa nka no me yemfa na chi wade nka no
Obi here for sure.
0246595007 0246595007 James Bond 007 nti uhia bibia na me wa up to February nti no ofre
Adofo come Akoma why na Lumba film no 25th we na show am
25th na film 25th na come every plans in
oh arawo banana kai